Welcome to this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to jump straight into the video. So before I put in the part with the trimmer, I'm going to trim down the area where I'm going to put the heart. And the reason I'm doing this is because it's hard to put in a part in wavy hair. If you'll notice right here in this picture, you'll see how Drake has his hair trimmed down in that area. That's because when you have waves in the way, it makes it really hard to put a part or a design in that area. So we're just making it easier on ourselves. So before you put the part in, a good tip to do is to etch it in with a barber pencil. So he normally gets his hair cut, that's why you can already see the outline. But here, after I've drawn in the heart, I'm following up with my trimmer and I'm just etching in the design. And the main thing is to use the corner of the blade. When you're doing something intricate like this, you really only need a few teeth. And as you can see, by me drawing in the heart first with the pencil, it makes it much easier to follow. This is a much safer method than trying to freehand a heart, especially if this is your first time doing this. So now that I've etched in the heart with the trimmer, I'm going to take some shave gel, and this is going to soften the hair and the skin. So now that I've applied the shave gel, I'm going to clean up the heart even more. And I'm just using the razor to detail it to get it a little bit more precise. When you're doing this, be sure to keep tension on the skin with your thumb. And yes, this video is sped up, but I'm taking my time. So as you can see, even with the razor, just use the head of the razor. Just like you only need a few teeth, with the trimmer, you only need to use the head of the razor. And here I'm just going back one more time and cleaning up the heart. But as you can see, it's very straightforward. But this is pretty much the process. So if you guys got value out of this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. Here's the end result.